Hey everybody, welcome to DeAnn Creates. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pumpkin topiary. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this fun fall holiday craft, stick around and keep watching. Okay, first I purchased 3 Ashland Craft carving pumpkins from Michael's in different sizes. I purchased a small one, a medium one, and a large one. Then I took my carving knife and I cut a hole in the bottom of the small pumpkin and the medium pumpkin. Now when I cut a hole in the bottom of the small pumpkin, I wanted to make sure that the stem of the medium pumpkin would fit inside that hole when they were stacked on top of each other. And the same thing with the medium pumpkin. I made sure that the stem of the large pumpkin would fit inside the hole that I cut into the medium pumpkin when they were stacked on top of each other. Next, I decided I wanted to paint my pumpkins, and you don't have to do this step if you don't want to, but one of my pumpkins was black and it didn't really go with the fall aesthetic that I was going for, so I used acrylic craft paint to paint it green. And also my large pumpkin, it was already orange, but I just didn't care for the shade, so I also used acrylic craft paint to paint it a different shade. I think it took 2 or 3 coats before I was happy with the results. While these pumpkins were drying, I figured it was time to decorate my pot that the pumpkins were going to be stacked on. I used fall ribbon from Hobby Lobby to wrap around the pot, and I used a hot glue gun to glue it into place. Then I made a bow out of ribbon, also from Hobby Lobby and from the Dollar Tree, and glued it to the front of the pot. After my pumpkins were dry, it was time to put everything together. So I used my hot glue gun to place a generous amount of glue around the edge of the pot. Then I took my largest pumpkin, I centered it on the pot, and I pushed down for about 20 or 30 seconds to make sure that they were attached. Next, I took my medium pumpkin, turned it over, used my hot glue gun to put a generous amount of hot glue around the hole that I cut into the pumpkin. I turned it over and put it on top of the large pumpkin, making sure that the stem of the large pumpkin fits snugly into the hole of the medium pumpkin. Then I took my small pumpkin and did the same thing. I turned it over. I used my hot glue gun to put a generous amount of glue around the hole that I cut. I put the small pumpkin on top of the medium pumpkin, making sure that the stem of the medium pumpkin fit inside the hole of the small pumpkin. Lastly, I wrapped a garland of fall leaves that I purchased from the Dollar Tree around the topiary for decoration. And that's pretty much it. This project was so fun and so simple to make, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe because you know you want to, and check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. Come back here next time because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.